going on? 70, it just hit $78. Like I made that video on GameStop like 10 minutes ago and it ran up from like $50 to $77 in like 10 minutes. This, how the, bro, I don't even know what to fucking say, dude. Like, how high is this shit gonna fucking go? Like, the previous all-time high was $120 on GameStop. Like, the way that this thing's running, this thing's gonna break this shit fucking today, dude. Like, these calls, right? Like, if you bought this just on the weekly trigger itself, right, using my indicators, you would have bought this at $11, right? You would have bought calls at $11 for maybe like a month out, but no way in a fucking my AI model predicted $55. We're at 76 fucking dollars, dude. And you're only at this rate, you're less than 100% gain away from all-time highs at 120. And at that point, fucking hell, bro. Like, how do you even? I don't know how far this is gonna go. I'm not gonna put any money into this, right? If we drop down to maybe like $20 or something, then I'll put some more money. I might put some money into it, but nah, dude, I am not gonna touch this shit. We're way too fucking high. You're about to hit $80 fucking dollars, bro. And I've been making this video for like a minute. You're about to hit $80 fucking dollars. What the fuck?